everybody, I'm Miss Smith. I'm one of the counselors at Burnt Hickory, and this is Miss Burton.
Hey!
She's the other counselor, and we are giving you a little bit of a virtual tour of the common areas and introduce you to a few people at Burnt Hickory.
We are so happy to be able to see you guys again. And I know it's been a couple months longer than you've been normally returning to school. So we just wanted to give you some reminders and talk about some new things that might be in place so you're prepared.
All right, here we go. All right, so this is our car line area. And if you're a car rider, your parents will pull in and there will be teachers and staff outside to help you open the door, get out of the car, and you're gonna walk down the sidewalk and you're gonna come over here to the front and the doors will be open and you will be heading right into go to your classrooms.
Okay guys, hopefully this will not happen to you, but if you are ever late for school, your parents will need to come over and buzz you in. That will open the door. Someone from the staff office will come and meet you and enter you into the building that way, and your parent will go back to the car.
As you enter the building from the car rider, there'll be teachers in the hallway to help you get to the location if you're new to the school. Otherwise, you'll know kind of our normal procedures, and we'll help you as you make your way down to your classroom. Next, we're just going to go to a few common areas and show you a little bit about each of these areas. So if you are new to the school, then you'll kind of just get a little bit of a view of what it looks like. Of course, it's going to look a little different when you get here, but we will do our best to kind of show you some of these common areas. All right, this is our front office area that if you ever have any notes or anything, or even to see the nurse, you come up to the front office first. This is Miss Hanley, our office clerk. Miss Arrowwood, she is our bookkeeper, and Miss Pays, the secretary, and she has another message for you.
Yes, we will not be giving out the normal census forms for you to update this year, but you are able to go on your parent portal if you need to update your email address or phone number. If you have an address change, you'll need to contact us here in the front office, and we'll give you the forms that you need to fill out and let you know whatever else you might need to provide to get that changed.
All right, thank you, ladies.
You're welcome.
All right, here is Nurse Peggy's location in our hallway. And here's Nurse Peggy.
Okay guys, if you're coming to school on a bus, you will still come to the back of the building and you're going to enter this way. And this is the back of the building, and you will come in. Again, teachers and staff will be posted throughout the building to help you find your way if you don't remember.
All right, everybody, this is the media center, and I'm gonna walk in and just do a quick little preview here. There's Miss Burton, and this is Miss Hammond.
Hi guys. This is the library, so we're excited to have you come back. You'll come here to check out books, and we'll do activities together, so can't wait.
All right, thank you.
Hey guys, my name is Miss Austin. I work in the Media Center, and I cannot wait to see everyone soon.
This is our cafeteria. It's quiet and super clean right now. If you come in from car rider or from bus and you want breakfast in the morning, you're still able to eat breakfast here. Everyone will be socially distanced, and you can see that there are spots on the benches that help you determine where you should be sitting for breakfast. Right now, at the beginning of the year, we're going to be eating our lunches in our classrooms, but for breakfast, you'll be eating it in here. This is our lost and found area, and look, nothing is lost. So it's real important this year especially to make sure that you have names on as many things that you bring to school, your book bag, your lunchbox, your jackets, so that we can keep our lost and found area looking exactly like this.
All right, here we are at the gym, and I'm just gonna walk in and show you the gym. It's very empty right now. Very nice big gym, and I'm walking you over to say hi to the coaches. So you just go ahead.
Okay, hi, I'm Coach McGatus.
I'm Coach Mixon.
I'm Coach Bob.
All right, and these will be some familiar faces for you guys all year as you come to PE, and it's gonna be a lot of fun, right guys?
Right, can't wait to see you.
Okay, and this is going to be the STEM, where you come for STEM class, and I'm just gonna kind of walk in real quick here, and you've seen this person maybe before if you saw PE.
Coach McGatus. I'll see you in the gym and in the STEM room. So I look forward to seeing everyone.
All right, thank you. All right, and if you have art with Miss Bailey, this is Miss Bailey in her art room. She's getting everything set up and ready for you guys.
Hey guys, this year for art, we're gonna ask that you bring some of your own art supplies so that we don't have to share as many things. So if you'll have a little bag or box with crayons, pencils, erasers, and glue stick and scissors, that would be amazing. Can't wait to make beautiful things with you this year.
For those of you who might be new to this school, we have 2 art classrooms and 2 art teachers. And this is Miss Steele's classroom. She's not here at the moment, but we wanted to make sure that everybody knows that there's 2 art teachers, Miss Bailey and Miss Steele.
So we have the art classes that you've seen, and now we're coming to the music room here. And I'm gonna walk in. Everybody's still getting everything ready for you guys. So it's not gonna look quite the same when you get here, but this is our music teacher.
Hey guys, welcome to music. I'm Miss Habercam. The last time most of you saw me, I was not Miss Habercam, I was Miss Gillum, but I got married. So I'm so excited for you guys to come back to music this year. It's gonna look a little different, but we are still gonna have so much fun. We're gonna play some instruments, we're gonna listen to some awesome music, and we're gonna dance. So I can't wait to see you.
Thank you.
Hey guys, we're out on the playground. It looks the same. Playground time is going to be a little different this year. You're coming out with your classroom and new schedules have been created. For those of you who are new, this is our playground. We're getting new mulch. It hasn't yet come in, but it will soon.
Notice at Burnt Hickory are signs in the hallways hanging down at each grade level hallway, and just so you know what they look like, and if you're looking for a teacher, that kind of gives you the idea of where that teacher's located. And then Miss Burton wanted to show you real quick about water bottles and the water filling stations.
So these are bottle fill stations now. We are encouraging you guys to bring your water bottles. See, my name is on that. And you fill it this way, and then you'll be able to keep it with you in your classroom and take it around with you so that you have water to drink.
This is the office of one of our assistant principals, Miss Davis. This is Miss Davis, everybody.
Welcome, Wolf Pups.
All right, everybody, this is Mr. Ingram, one of our assistant principals.
Mr. Ingram, glad to have you with us this year.
All right, thank you. Okay, this is our EAC Evaluation Assessment Coordinator, Miss Sarah Berger.
Hi, Wolf Pups. We're so excited for a new school year. We can't wait to see you next week.
All right, everybody, this is our principal, Dr. Vinus.
Hi everybody, Dr. Vinus here. We're looking so forward to seeing you on Monday, August 3rd. We hope you enjoyed the virtual tour of our school. For those of you who have been here before, I'm sure everything looked familiar and you're going to know exactly where to go. If you're new to our school, don't worry. We will have grown-ups here to help you get where you need to be on Monday morning, and we're so excited. Can't wait to see you.